everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be doing another test on these other cream shadows that I got from Maybelline. Yes, these are Maybelline Color Tattoo Cream Shadows and I have 3 colors and we're trying them all out. Because I loved the other one. The first one I tried last week was Socialite and it was kind of a pink one. Well, these ones are, I have, this color is High Roller and it's kind of a coppery color. And then this one is Front Runner and it's kind of a champagne-y color. And then this one is Chill Girl, and it's like a really pretty light color. It's white. It's like a iridescent white. And we're going to use all 3 of them. So, let's get started. I'm going to start off by putting the champagne color. No, I'm going to start off in my crease with this one that is High Roller, and it's the kind of coppery one. I think it's coppery. It looks coppery. And I am going to put that in the crease. And then I'm going to pull it up. So I want to get a good amount on here. I can't look that way because I won't be able to see what I'm doing. And since I'm not pulling it from the lid, because I'm going to put that other one on the lid, the High Roller, I think that's what it was. And this stuff is like 24-hour last. I'm also going to put this on the outer corner of the lid. And then I'm going to take the dry side of the brush and kind of blend it up. Actually, I'm just going to get it off the brush. So that it thins out as it goes up. And since this is my absolute favorite brush for putting on these cream shadows, this is my Sigma E55 brush. And this one is just the best for these cream shadows. Okay, so now I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to go into High Roller. Nope, High Roller is the one I was putting on before. The one that is, the dark one is High Roller, and then the one I'm going to put on now is Front Runner, which is the champagne colored one. I got to put this lid back on before I don't know which one goes to which. So now we're going to go with the champagne colored one, and I'm going to put that on my lid. Ooh, it's beautiful. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Now, I am going to do my liner, and then I'm going to come back and put this one in the corner of my eyes. So, I'm going to go in with my tattoo liner from Maybelline. This is a Maybelline commercial, but it's not sponsored. I just have been using a lot of Maybelline products. And this is the Tattoo Gel Liner in Onyx. And I'm going to push line. To push line, you put your little finger on the center of your eye and you kind of push up towards the socket, and your eyelash will curl around a little bit. You don't push very hard, just to pull that up a little so it curls up, and then you can draw between the lashes instead of on the waterline. Now I'm going to do my mascara, and I'm going to do it in fast, and then we will finish this off. And I'm going to be using the Lash Paradise. Everybody says this is so good. Every time I use it, I don't really like it, but I'm going to try it again. Because I'm not really loving any of my other ones. So if you know of a mascara that is really great, that doesn't flake, because I can't stand flaking, let me know in the comments. I need to try out some mascaras because I was using the Monsieur Big, but it flakes. And I like the Laura Geller Lash Boss, but lately it's been flaking, and it's not even that old. So it's time to try something new. And if you're wondering what my lipstick is, it is Tiramisu from Rimmel liner, and I think this is Revlon. Yep, Revlon lip stain, cushion lip stain, lip tint, not lip stain, lip tint, and I have no idea what color it is because I don't have any glasses. Pretty Kiss, something like that. We'll see. Yep, 210, Pretty Kiss. I could read it better than I thought. Anyways, anything I put on my face will be listed below. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my, what did I call this one? Chill Girl. Yes, Chill Girl, which is the white one, the pearly, beautiful, and I'm just going to put it right here in the center. You can put it up here too, but I'm not going to because I don't like that look as much. A lot of people do though, and that's where I would put it. If I liked that, I would put it in the inner corner and then right under the brow. But I have so much space that it just, if I put anything under the brow, it takes away from everything. That's all you can see. So I'm not going to do that. But anyways, I think that this eye look turned out fantastic. I even like the mascara. Except this one eyelash that won't curl. There. At least it's out of my eye now. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love these cream shadows, and they have still got so many more colors that I want to get. They had a purple one. They had like a maroon colored one. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little notification bell so you're always notified when I upload a new video. Share this on all your social media so our family can grow. And I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!